Just imagine, you're driving a family car that is not only functional, but also really cool. Well, that's what you'll feel if you have a 2025 Honda Odyssey. From the outside alone, this minivan will make people's heads spin, especially if you know what's inside. Exterior design, gahar and elegant. The 2025 Honda Odyssey doesn't mess around when it comes to its external appearance. The design is sharp, with firm lines making the futuristic impression even stronger. The large front grille and slim LED lights make this car look fierce, but still elegant. The sturdy 19-inch alloy wheels also add a sporty impression, so not only young mothers will like it, fathers will also be smitten. Engine and performance. Powerful and economical. Under the hood, there is a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 280 horsepower. For a minivan, this is a lot of power. Whether you want to take it for a leisurely walk or speed on the toll road, the 2025 Odyssey is ready to provide solid performance. Plus, Earthdream's technology makes fuel consumption more efficient. So, you don't need to worry about your wallet breaking to fill up with petrol. Interior, maximum comfort. Entering the cabin, you will immediately feel at home. The leather seats are soft and can be adjusted so that even long journeys don't feel tired. There is a magic slide feature that allows the second row of seats to be moved as desired. So, access to the third row becomes easier. And for entertainment, there is an 8-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The kids will really enjoy it. Security features, complete and advanced. Talking about safety, the 2025 Odyssey is not kidding around. There is very complete Honda sensing, from the collision mitigation braking system to lane keeping assist. Anyway, all the latest security features are here, so you can drive calmly without worrying.
The 2025 Honda Odyssey is not just an ordinary minivan. Modern design, strong performance, maximum comfort and advanced safety features make this car the best choice for families. So, if you are looking for a car that can be relied on for everyday use and holidays with the family, the 2025 Odyssey is the answer. Get ready to be the center of attention on the road.